Hello friends, welcome to Hurdle Cracker. Today's topic is superlatives of India. Superlative, that is highest, tallest, smallest, heaviest, etc. You may know most of them, but still don't skip the video as it will help you to revise as well as you may know some other new points.
Question number 1. Which is the largest freshwater lake in India? Answer: Ular Lake in Kashmir. Question number 2. Which is the highest mountain peak of India? Answer: Kanchenjunga. It lies between Sikkim, India and Nepal border. It is the third highest peak in the world with an elevation of 8,586 meter. Question number 3. Which is the largest dome in India? Answer: Gol Gambuj at Bijapur. It is in Karnataka. Question number 4. Which is the longest dam in India? Answer: Hirakud Dam over Mahanadi River in Orissa. Now, question number 5. Which is the highest dam in India? Answer: Tehri Dam. It is in Uttarakhand on Bhagirathi River. Its height is about 260.5 meter. Now move to question number 6. Which is the highest waterfall in India? Answer: Kempty Falls. It is in Tehri Garhwal district of Uttarakhand.
Highest, that means height. सी लेवल से जिसका ऊंचाई सबसे ज़्यादा है उसे हाईएस्ट और जिसका ऊंचाई सबसे कम है उसे लोएस्ट कहा जाता है.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Which is the largest cattle fair in India? It is Sonpur Fair in Bihar. Question number 8. Which is the largest bank of India? Answer: State Bank of India, SBI.
Friends, if you are finding this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. It will boost me to post such informative videos in future. Question number 9. Which is the highest gallantry award of India? Answer: Param Veer Chakra. It is given to honor the acts of bravery and sacrifice of the officers of the armed force. Let's move to question number 10. Which is the largest planetarium in India? Answer: Birla Planetarium. It is in Kolkata. Question number 11. Which is the longest railway platform in India? Answer: Hubli Junction railway platform. It is in Karnataka and it is the longest railway platform in the world as of March 2021. Question number 12. Which is the largest temple cave in India? Answer: Kailash Temple, Ellora. It is in Maharashtra. Question number 13. Which is the longest national highway in India? Answer: NH44. Previously known as National Highway 7. It starts from Srinagar in the north and ends in Kanyakumari in the south. Now question number 14. Which is the longest road in India? Answer: Grand Trunk Road. It is also one of the oldest road in India. Question number 15. Which is the longest railway route of India? Answer: Dibrugarh to Kanyakumari, spanning 4,273 km on railway tracks. Question number 16. Which is the longest highway tunnel of India? Answer: Atal Tunnel. It is in Rohtang, Himachal Pradesh. It is also world's longest highway tunnel, inaugurated by Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi on 3rd October 2020. The tunnel has been named after former Indian Prime Minister Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Let's move to question number 17. Which is the longest beach in India? Answer: Marina Beach. It is in Chennai. Question number 18. Which is the longest river in India? Answer: Ganga. Question number 19. Which is the longest river of South India? Answer: Godavari. Question number 20. Which is the longest tributary river in India? Answer: Jamuna. It is a tributary river of Ganga. Question number 21. Which is the longest river bridge in India? Answer: Dola Sadia Bridge. It is also known as Dr. Bhupen Hazarika Setu. Stands on Lohit River in Assam. Question number 22. Which is the highest civilian award in India? Answer: Bharat Ratna. Now question number 23. Which is the highest battlefield in India? Answer: Siachen Glacier. Next question number 24. Which is the biggest church in India? Answer: Morning Star Church in Velankani, Tamil Nadu. It is a Roman Catholic church. Question number 25. Which is the largest saltwater lake in India? Answer: Chilka Lake. It is in Orissa. Question number 26. Which is the highest gateway in India? Answer: Buland Darwaza. It is in Fatehpur Sikri. It is also known as Door of Victory. It is the highest gateway in the world and was constructed in 1575 by Mughal Emperor Akbar to commemorate his win over Gujarat. Question number 27. Which is the largest port in India? Answer: Mumbai. Question number 28. Which is the highest airport in India? Answer: Leh Ladakh, Kushak Bakula Rinpoche Airport. Question number 29. Which is the largest zoo of India? Answer: Arignar Anna Zoological Park. It is also known as Vandalur Zoo. It is in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Question number 30. Which state in India has largest forest area? Answer: Madhya Pradesh. Question number 31. Which is the largest state in India according to area? Answer: Rajasthan. Question number 32. Which is the smallest state in India according to population? Answer: Sikkim. Let's move to question number 33. Which is the largest delta in India? Answer: Sundarban Delta. It is in West Bengal. Question number 34. Which is the largest desert in India? Answer: Third Desert. It is in Rajasthan. Now question number 35. Which is the largest stadium in India? Answer: Narendra Modi Stadium. It is a cricket stadium. Guys, this was my last question of this video. Now I am going to give you 2 questions. Find out whether you know the answers of them. I am going to disclose those answers in my next video. Questions are: which is the smallest cricket stadium in India by capacity? And the next one is: which is the smallest national highway in India? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like my video as your supports boost me a lot. And if you are new in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of my upcoming videos.